Panelist for today is Nilakshi. Nilakshi is a final year student and she'll be an upcoming system engineer trainee at Infosys. She is also a founder at Tech Vriddhi, which is also a YouTube channel, and she's very curious and keen about what is AI, how virtual reality works, and this is all about Nilakshi. And over to you now.
Great,
Thank you so
Nilakshi.
much, Kritika.
Yeah.
Sir,
So,
I would
Nilakshi,
like to
welcome.
share my screen. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, sir. I would like to
Okay.
share my screen.
Sure, please. No problem. Feel comfortable. So, Nilakshi, only one request is 4.5 minutes. Be ready
Okay,
and
sir.
just be attentive to listen the buzzer. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, may I start?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Founder of Tech Vriddhi, upcoming trainee at Infosys, a social worker. Yes, that's me. The name is Nilakshi, and artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning excites me. So here I am sharing my achievements and my journey behind it. So I'll start with my achievements. I have basically divided them into three categories. The first one being technology, the second one being NGO, and the third one being events and marketing. So in technology, I have started the YouTube channel named Tech Vriddhi, and the story behind it is very interesting. What happened is that in a final semester, we have to give a seminar. And for that, our topic was any latest technology. So I chose an interesting topic, artificial intelligence and gaming. It was really interesting for me. So what I did was I prepared the PPT, I prepared the report, and I submitted the same to our teacher. I studied with a lot of research papers. But what happened due to this COVID situation was that I was not able to present it in front of the teacher or the students, and I really wanted to share the knowledge. So I thought with the idea that why not just divide this PPT into parts and make a video, YouTube video out of it and share it. And it took me around 1 month to actually decide what I'll be including in the videos. But I started with the channel. And now I'm going to talk about my NGO experience. I was a part of Rotaract Club Chandigarh Himalayan, that is a non-profit organization, and it was a great experience. What I did was we were organizing a lot of events, and the money we collected through those events were going to a happy school, that is a government school that was adopted by our organization, and we renovated that school to make it better for the students studying there. So within an year, I was promoted to a team leader, um, and I had 10 to 15 students under me. I have to motivate them. And I also was promoted to the director of the Canvas committee. And Canvas committee was something that actually created the aura, the ambience of the venue of the events. That was an artistic thing, and that was really interesting for me. Now coming to events and marketing. So I was a part of another nonprofit organization, RIO, Rising India Youth Organization, where I was a South Campus lead, and there too I organized a lot of events. And Goonj is our college fest, where I tried to be a part of as many committees as possible in different years. I was publicity subhead, I was marketing team head. Then I was also an ambience head, which was the same thing as was in Canvas committee. So now I'm going to tell about my learning from this journey. So it's very interesting that every achievement taught me something. First thing I learned from Tech Vriddhi is that put your ideas to action. This is very, very important. If you think of something, just put it into action. Because YouTube, I know that I'm so glad that I started this channel, because I'm learning all of the things, be it artistic thing, because I have to design the thumbnails, I have to do video editing, I have to do marketing, because I have to reach out to people, and I do publicity. Second thing from Rotaract Club, I learned that your hard work will be recognized and you will be valued. And third thing is explore as many areas. As you can see from my achievements that I have left no field untouched. I have tried to be a part of everything, and that's important in your college years, especially because you'll know that what you actually want from your life, from those experiences. Last but not the least is about failure. So what happened is that in one of the events which I organized, according to me, it was a failure. There were technical glitches. The event didn't go as planned. So, but the actual advantage was,
Hello.
hello? Okay, just last part that it gives you an edge, as now you'll start with experience. That failure actually taught us, because we had connections from those participants. They wanted to become volunteer. And this is the final slide. I really want to talk about it. My vision is to grow as an individual and assist the same for the community by transforming monotonous learning into creative and interesting one. That is through my YouTube channel. And this picture you see here, it is actually on one of my walls. And this is about inspiring women in the tech field. So this one idea I want to give is that whatever is your goal, just stick it on your wall. Because if you are feeling distracted at one point, you look at it and you'll be like motivated, like I want to follow this thing. And this quote, success is never a full stop, it's always a comma. It's interesting because I read this quote in one of the South Indian movies. I'm really passionate and interested in the South Indian movies. So there an actor said this quote that success is never a full stop, it's always a comma, which means your destination doesn't decide what's success. It's about your journey. And if you say that a man is successful, it's actually about his journey rather than the current position he is at. So that's all from me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nilakshi. Okay. So, yes. So, Purav, sir.
Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, I was on mute. So it was great presentation. I think you have given a very good insight on your achievements. Let's, many of the people have got motivated out of it. The first thing is your clarity, which is, very eye touchy. You have divided your complete presentation into 3 parts. What was your first achievement, second and third, and the tech achievement which you are saying. I have a question pertaining to that. So
Okay,
do you have gone through any formal kind of training or formal training on YouTube, or do you would like to? Mhm.
No, sir, I haven't gone through any formal
Okay,
training, but I learned
training.
from
Okay.
YouTube videos itself.
Okay,
Like
so that
there
was
are
my
things,
question. Uh-huh.
yes.
Now, do you think that a formal training can help, like a 1 month training or a small training, because you have, achieved so many things or multiple things, multiple interests you have.
Yes,
So
sir.
YouTube, making on, like, there are a course available on Udemy,
Okay,
YouTube
sir.
video making. And why I am advising, because I have seen all 4 or 5 videos which you have made.
Yes, sir.
Majority of them I have seen. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
by
Thank you.
skipping also, but I have seen. So that's what one advice I want to give you, that have some edge over your competition, so that whenever somebody comes to your channel, get stick to it. You
Yes,
know.
sir.
Okay, thanks. I would like to, invite if Mrudang is there on the screen. Hi, Mrudang. Just would like to have few words from you. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello, Darshan bhai. Thank you very much for bringing me in existing plant session. So I am
Mm-hmm.
actually outsider in this plant session, but I am very happy and excited to meet all of you. And as Purav Bhatt, yeah, he has actually very great mission, 10 million. It's a big mission, and I really appreciate that people have such kind of mission, and they are really working on it even from industry, because as in what I am telling you, I am having the same feeling as what he was thinking, that the kind of difficulties we face, we don't want our next generation to face the same difficulties. So
Correct.
what they can do, I mean, what we can do to help them. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so these are actually good thoughts, and if we work on it, we don't have, see, we are working in our industry, our whatever profession we are in, we are earning, and out of that, what we can contribute, what we can give back to the society. So one way is through money, the other way is through this kind of activities in which we involve, and which without spending money, we can spend time, and where we can actually give good advices, help people, and so that they can achieve their
Ultimate
life
goal.
goals.
Mm-hmm.
So this is
Sure.
very important, I think,
Great, sir.
because it is important. One last statement I will make: it is important to get
Mm-hmm.
right advice
Mm-hmm.
without any kind of prejudice when a
Correct.
person really needs it. Right.
True,
So
true,
there,
true, sir.
people can help. So this is
Great,
what
sir.
I.
I think Thanks for giving your inputs at a very short notice. I think Purav has got disconnected. Probably, Purav, are
No,
you
not
there
yet.
or?
Not yet. Yes, I am. I am here. I am very well
Oh,
here.
okay, okay. So, but your video is not visible.
No, so I had to. Yeah, I had some. Now it should be visible.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
So, Purav, I
Okay.
think that was the exact reason. Like, I have invited Professor also. That you have made your mission 10 million. Yeah,
Hmm.
and if the mission is high, you will definitely require so many people, like-minded people, and they will get connected, and you will able to achieve. But before we move to that, let us give feedback to Nilakshi. So first you give in a brief, and then we will go to Beatrice.
So the only thing which I could take away from it is that success is a journey, and
Mhm,
you know what, whatever the students are telling, I always resonate with some of my experience. So one
mhm,
thing which Nilakshi mentioned, it's not about the destination, but it is about the journey. And this is what I always keep telling, that there is a saying that there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. That is a very very common or a famous saying in English. And what I realized is we keep running to achieve that light, and in that race we forget the learnings that we get in the darkness. The learning always happens in the darkness. So focus on the journey, don't focus on the destination. If the journey is nice, destination is a byproduct. It has to come, whatever you want, but don't forget enjoying the journey and learning from the journey.
mhm.
That's it, Darshan. I
Great.
would like to end. I
Yeah,
mean, there are no other
sure.
comments. As such, the achievements are wonderful,
Wonderful.
and
Yeah.
I don't see the students. Because I'm sitting here and I'm in a position to. I mean, they expect comments from your advice. I don't see that I need to advise them. They are on the
Advise
right
them.
track. So please,
Correct.
let them continue.
Correct. Exactly. Beatrice, would you like to not only comment if you have something to express?
Sure, Darshan. Can you hear me now?
Yes. Yes.
Sure. Well, I was impressed with all the things that Nilakish has already accomplished. So I was thinking in something that she mentioned about fail and about success. We always think that failure is the opposite like success, right? But the truth is that the failure is part of that success, because you will only learn from the failure,
Mhm.
not from the
Correct.
success.
True.
So only you will fail when you stop trying. So let's keep trying, all of us. This is for all of us, and to see or to change the meaning of failure, because failure is the only thing that will help you to learn. As Purab mentioned, is you will learn that in the darkness. So it's part of that as well.